Hey, yeah, just wanted to give a demo of what the homepage looks like right now for me. So this is my own market. Um, I've already bet in it. This is my own market. I bet in it. This is my own market. I bet in it. I like Isaac, but I have no interest in this, and I don't know anything about it. I guess this is related to me. Okay, I have one on, so it's good that I can see how much I have on it. This is interesting to me, so this is good. This is fine. Boost. Personal market. I mean, I follow him, so how are you supposed to know I don't want to see this? But sure, this is fine. Um, this is fine. This is fine. Extremely uninterested in this. I don't know why I'm seeing this at all. And I can't get any more. Is it dead? So I only get those like six. So yeah, the question is like, how am I supposed to find new markets to bet in, right? If this is what I see. So reload. Okay, absolutely no interest in this and don't know anything about this person. I guess it's math. No, AI. So I guess I'm an AI, I suppose. Okay, this is very interesting because I really like Josh Wilk. He's a super high quality creator. But and I like airlines, so this is good. Good rec. CryptoMine's fine. Like I think I follow him, but no, I guess this is an okay rec. Mm, this seems good. Yeah, I like this. Oh, not interest. Okay, this is a repeat of the thing I sent. So I ignored this last time. Why am I being shown it again, right? I don't want to see it again. I ignored it intentionally. These are unrelated and uninteresting. I don't know why I'm being seen these. Shown those. Okay, I like this guy and I like this market, so this is good. So actually, it's not so bad. This, I like this guy and I like this market. Okay, so this is pretty good. This is fine, I think. But I'm sure I've visited this and not bet, like many times. I guess I'm interested in this, so that's okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. I mean, I guess like it's manifold, so I guess I care about manifold. I follow sneaky slide, so that's fine. I've already bet in this though. Like the question is, why am I being presented things I've already bet in? Like I don't understand what the point is. There's no chart, so I can't interpret what it means. I don't really know. This doesn't actually tell me what's going on. Like I don't know if I made this money before or later, before now or what. Okay, here's my own market again. So like I don't know why I'm seeing my own market. It makes no sense. This is super old. I've already bet on it. This is my own market again. I'm sure I've looked at this a billion times. This market. Maybe this is new to me. This is a good rec. No interest in this, and I hate Destiny and hate porn, and this shouldn't be on the homepage. So I really don't want to see this. I don't know how I can indicate that enough. Okay, FTX is fine. This is fine. This is like crypto probably shouldn't see it. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, so it seems better than it was last time. I mean, it's still at least 50% either my own markets or stuff that I like very, very obviously don't want to see because it's like a personal market from somebody that I don't care about or don't know, right? This is a great rec. Like, I love Cockatoo. I love Teal Fellow. No interest in NHL. Is I don't even, I have no idea what this even is at all. Oh, it's because he bought and I'm following him. You don't want to, he's probably why he's probably why my recs are messed up because he buys everything. Yeah. This is taking up so much space and I really don't have much interest in it. Um, and I gotta say, like this bottom Y cutoff is so insane. You can't judge anything. I mean, cut off the bottom at least and make these numbers bigger. Sorry, like don't cut the bottom. So zero means zero, right? Top, who knows? Top can mean anything. This is good. Yeah, I wonder why this chart is not loading there. This is so confusing. I don't know what the 17 days means. Like, does that mean it's down 8%? So this is 8% absolute, which again, like, is not useful, right? Because, I mean, here's the other big thing about this. When I'm long, I interpret this to be relative, right? Because imagine this was a stock. Imagine this was Tesla and the price was like 50 and it used to be 100. Well, that wouldn't say minus 50%. It would say minus, no, sorry, that's a bad example. If it was Tesla and it had gone down from like 100 to 80, I keep picking numbers that it overlaps incorrectly. Um, what I mean is like in finance sites, okay, so if it goes from 20 to 10, the price of a stock, they would not say minus 10. No one cares about the nominal value of the down. They care about the relative change. You lost 50% of your money, dude. That's what that means. So it's very confusing when this says minus 8 because if I'm long, that actually means I lost approximately 30%. But if I'm short, it's even harder to interpret what it means because it's red, but I'm short. So that's good. So so that would be that my no went from 75 to 83, which is a gain of like, 12% or something. So it never should say -8%. It should always say -30 or +12, depending if I'm long or short. Now, the long or short display thing, I know that's a huge deal. That would be very confusing if we flipped short positions to display in the sense of short. I still think it would be good. Anyway, it's getting too long here. Some COVID. All right, this is fine. But like the thing with these is, I've already bet on them, and if I haven't, yeah, I've already bet on all of these, and if I haven't bet on them, I still have almost always looked at them, right? Um, and so like that, me looking at it is an indication that I don't want to bet on this market. So now let's look at like SG's portfolio, right? I'm sure he's got an interesting portfolio, and I bet there'll be stuff in here that I haven't seen. So don't think I've ever looked at this. I think I follow Austin, but I don't. I'm sure I've never seen that before. I don't know if I've ever seen this one before. It seems very interesting. I think I should have seen this one because it's very interesting. It's all over Twitter. I've seen this a million times. That's fine. Okay, so let's look at somebody else's portfolio. Whale communication. So I've never seen this market before. It's extremely interesting to me. Oh, I think I have seen it earlier today, but I would be very interested in seeing this because I just read the Star Codex article about it. The market has not been recommended to me. I've never seen this market before. I've seen this market. This is old market. Seen this, seen this, seen this. Let's see Zvi, right? So Zvi's portfolio is going to be really interesting. So, okay, my point is that Home is showing me a bunch of stuff that I either bet on, is my own market, is clearly uninteresting personal markets. It's not showing me stuff that when I look in top creators and top portfolio people's portfolios, they're invested in stuff that's like really interesting that I don't think I've ever seen in a lot of cases. Like I just found this question today, but it's been around for 2 weeks. Like, how did I not find this question, right? This should have been, I mean, based on my interest, like this is a super big tag for me. Everyone that like cross correlates with me on the site is really interested in this as well. And yet, probably because it's multi, this was never recommended to me. Actually, that's not true. I got it last night. Okay, maybe that's overstatement. But still, I just feel like overall the amount of time, or the push of me towards interesting stuff is much weaker than it was when I first started. And there's tons of really good signals now. Now that like following is really a thing and people follow each other all the time, following conversion rate for market visitors is incredible, right? People with the same tag interest as me, like if Zvi goes to a market and doesn't bet, or whatever these 10 people, if they go to a market and don't bet, that is a huge negative sign, right? But if they bet a ton, that's a huge positive sign for me. And I suspect we're not using that info at all right now. So, it's sitting there. So as soon as we get to it, I think it'll be really, really fun. I mean, we'll get all the wheels that we'll get the flywheels that YouTube gets, right? Where every single thumbnail, every single video is viewed as like an experimental step we can take in the manipulation of this user's internal state to get them to stay on the site more. I know you guys don't want to do that, but you don't have to be super evil about it. But like, you can actually predict much better than you're doing now about what I would like, and in my case, at least, I'd be super happy to have these better predictions. Okay, cut it off here. Thanks, guys.